Hello viewers, welcome to Amicable Oral English class lesson 5. In today's lesson, we are going to learn diphthongs, which is the second segment of the vowel sounds. And if you could remember, in the previous lesson, we learned monophthongs, which is the first segment of the vowel sounds. And if you could also remember, we learned that the vowel sounds are 20 in number, which are subdivided into 12 monophthongs and 8 diphthongs. So today we are going to learn these 8 diphthongs. Just like monophthongs, diphthong also derives its origin from the Greek di and thongal, meaning two or double, and thongal, which means sound. When you compound the two, you're going to have two or double sounds. That is to say, a diphthong is a combination of two monophthongs pronounced or produced with a single breath. Follow me. This is what I'm talking about. You can see from number 1, this is short e sound plus short e sound. So these are two different monophthongs. These are two different phonetic symbols which are to be blended together to produce a single diphthong. And the transition from the initial sound to the second sound is what is called syneresis or glide in linguistics. Syneresis or glide. So the movement in pronunciation from the initial sound to the second is what is called syneresis or glide in linguistics. This is what I'm talking about. This is e plus e. Ideally, if we are to pronounce these two monophthongs in isolation, we are to pronounce them as e, e, e. But it has not become a diphthong yet because that syneresis, that blending has not taken place. So for this blending to take place, for this transition to take place, which is called syneresis, then we are to pronounce these sounds or the combination of these two sounds as a. And we'll have something like this. A with a single breath. A. This is o plus the short u sound. O, u. When we blend the two sounds together, we will have something like this, which is pronounced as o. O. This is a, the short a sound plus the short e sound, a, e, a, e. And when we blend the two sounds together, we'll have something like this, I. This is also short a sound plus the short o sound, a, u. When we mesh the two sounds together, we're going to have something like this, ow. This is the short o sound plus the short e sound. When we mesh and blend the two together, we'll have something like this, on. This is short e sound plus the short o sound, the oxua. When we blend them together, we'll have something like this, ear. This is the short e sound plus the short o sound, the oxua. When we blend them together, we're going to have something like this, air. This is the short o sound plus the short o sound. When we blend the two together, we're going to have something like this, or. Let me take them again. with one or two examples for the purpose of clarity. This is A. A in words like eight, today, date. How do you find this assonance? Today's date is 8. Today's date is 8. What an interesting assonance. O. O in words like home. I'm going home. Foam. Foam. I. This is my eye. E-Y-E, I. Eyes. Eyes. Something like this. I. The sound plus, if you could remember our consonant sound, the S sound. When you add it here, you have eyes. I-C-E. Eyes. So how do you see the transcription? Very simple, right? It is very easy. The I plus S gives us eyes. I-C-E. Ow. Ow. In words like cow. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Mouth. Mouth. Oi. Oi. In words like toy. T-O-Y. Toy. Coil. Coil. C-O-I-L. Coil. Ear. Ear. My ear. Ear. Come here. Here. Air. Air. A-I-R. Air. Fresh air. Air. Chair. Get me a chair. Get me a chair. Not chair or chair, as we mispronounce the word, but chair. Or, as in cure. Cure. C-U-R-E. Cure. Tour. Tour, not tower, as we mispronounce the word T-O-U-R. Tour. Tour. So as you can see, these are the diphthongs, which, like I said earlier, is a combination, a blend of two monophthongs to be pronounced with a single breath. Then we'll have what is called a diphthong. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't also forget to share to your learned colleagues, family and friends. Follow me in the subsequent videos for more exciting and interesting and educative videos or lessons in pronunciation practice. Goodbye.